In this video, I am going to explain how to typeset references using a free tool called MRef from American Mathematical Society. The website for American Mathematical Society is at www.ams.org, and we are already here, and in this you will see that there is a link for MathSciNet database. We just click that to go to the database. In this database we can see that there are many options available. One of them is free tools. We go to the free tools. Even in the free tool there are many options available. Of this we are interested in the MRef tool. So once you go to the MRef tool, then we are getting a search box. In the search box we can type out any references, any one reference, and then we can search that reference. If it is there in the database, it will show you the output in various format. It gives you a permanent link to the MathSciNet database, and you are getting the link to MathSciNet output. As such, you can click this to get the actual review of the paper, and then you have option to get it in BIFTEC or in equivalent AMSRef format, and also in the EndNote format or in the TeX format. So we are interested in the TeX format. The TeX format of our reference is here. So we can copy the entire code for us, and then we can paste it back in our TeX file by copying it. So that is the way we can typeset our references without any error. Even if you make an error in one of this title or somewhere, I delete this word now, and then also we can search, it will show you the output in various format. So even if there is a mistake in whatever we type in the search box, the database will correct and give you the correct link. This is the advantage of using this tool. Thank you.